Time and oxygen are running out in the race to find a missing submarine with 5 people on board. The U.S. Coast Guard on Wednesday said efforts by air and sea to locate the 21-foot submersible called the Titan have yet to bear fruit, despite detecting underwater sounds described as banging noises. Coast Guard Captain Jamie Frederick.
With respect to the noises specifically, we don't know what they are, to be frank with you. What I can tell you is we're searching in the area where the noises were detected. The surface search is now approximately 2 times the size of Connecticut, and the subsurface search is up to 2.5 miles deep, exponentially expanding the size of the search area.
The vessel, operated by a private tour company called Ocean Gate Expeditions, embarked on Sunday to carry passengers on a tour of the Titanic's century-old wreckage off the coast of Canada. The expedition cost $250,000 per person. The Coast Guard said the sub lost contact with its surface vessel shortly after its descent. Officials estimate the sub has enough air supply to likely last until Thursday morning.
With respect to food and water, it's my understanding there are some limited rations. I can't tell you exactly how much.
One of the missing passengers is reported to be French explorer Paul-Henri Nargeolet. A friend of his and fellow underwater explorer, Dr. David Gallo, told Reuters he is hopeful after learning of reports that underwater noises are coming in 30-minute intervals.
But I can't think of anything that would be that every 30 minutes, and I do know that P.H. Nargeolet would do something like that to keep so let people know that they're there.
Gallo said he could not imagine the fear of those inside the Titan.
Everyone that's been to the sea, to the bottom of the sea in a submarine, has feared this and wondered what would happen if this happened. In one case, it would be a quick ending if the sub imploded. In another case, if you were trapped, it would be a slower ending. But in either case, I guess if you were trapped there and with air slowly running out, it would be just horrible. I don't like to think about it, but it would not be pleasant at all.
For now, it's an all-hands-on-deck mission with a French research ship carrying a deep-sea diving robot, seen here in video from 2018, dispatched to the area on Wednesday.